Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you've been trying to figure out how to lease a car for rent on Booking.com, here is a quick heads up. So you cannot lease cars directly on Booking.com or rentalcars.com as they partner with rental agencies instead. But don't worry, there are some amazing platforms like Turo and Get Around that let individual car owners rent out their vehicles. So in today's video, I am going to walk you through how to list your car for rent on these platforms and start earning some extra income. So let's start. So as you can see here, this is the carrentals.com, but basically we cannot use this directly in listing our car, but let's try to explore first this website. So here you can hire a car here for a cheap one. So as you can see here on this website, there is rentalcars.com by booking.com. And then here they have their free cancellations on most bookings, and then they are also connected to the biggest brands in car rental. Then they have their flexible rentals, and then here you can see here their flexible frequently asked question. And then you just need to explore on this first before we will be going to the other platform. So the first one is choosing the right platform, Turo or Get Around. But in this video, we'll be using the website, the Turo. So first, you will need to decide which platform to use. So Turo is available in many countries and lets you rent out your cars to travelers and locals, while the Get Around platform focuses more on short-term rentals and offers features like automated keyless entry. So as you can see here, we are now on this Turo website. So these both platforms have their pros and cons. So let's do a little research. So signing up for a Turo account, to get started, head over on Turo.com, and then you will be able to see here if you want to be a host. So after you sign in, you will be now filling on the basic details like name, email, and then the password. So as you can see here, you will be now logging into your account. Either you want to log in through your phone number or your Google account or your email or your Apple account. So make sure, guys, to read through Turo's policy so you can understand the terms of listing your vehicle. So here, review terms and updates. So here in listing your car on Turo, guys, it is very important. So here you can now list your car from the dashboard. You will be asked to enter your vehicle's details. So starting with the make, model, and year. So here you will be asked about your location. So we will be now explaining here. So as you can see here, this country, the Turo website is not available. So let's try another one. Here they will be telling you, unfortunately, Turo hasn't been available on that country. So they haven't launched car sharing in your country yet. So let's try to use another country for this tutorial. So if it is now confirmed, you can click that next button below the country that you have chosen. So here you need to enter the street address and then the postal code. So here, after that one is you cannot proceed, guys, if you will not enter your VIN. So basically, I don't have that one, but in this tutorial, I will be explaining you the different steps. So first is you just need to tap this one. So here, guys, are the steps on listing your car. So in the first step, guys, is the Turo will ask for the basic details about your vehicle. So the manufacturing year of your car, the brand, and then the specific model. For example, Mustang or a Civic. So once you enter these details, Turo will verify if your car meets the platform criteria, and then your profile photo, which is the background. Then they will also ask for your mobile number. And then the vehicle details, guys, this section dives deeper into the specifications of your car. So this is the specific version or package of your car model, and then specify either your car is automatic or manual. And the number of seats. The fuel type, select if your car runs on gasoline, electricity, or a hybrid combination. So you can also see here the photos. So Turo recommends uploading high quality photos of your car to attract renters. Here's what you'll need to photograph. For example, is the exterior and then the interior. And then as you can see here, the location and the delivery we have been filling it a while ago. So here it is very important where the car will be stored when not rented. So Turo allows you to offer delivery to nearby airports or specific locations. You will be also filling in the pricing, which is an automatic pricing or a custom pricing. So Turo can adjust your car's price based on market demand. And then on the availability, guys, is this allows renter to book your car without needing your manual approval. Or the custom availability, you can set specific dates or days of the week when your car is available to rent. And then here is the trip extras, the options like GPS units, child seats, and then also, guys, the vehicle protection plans. So here Turo offers various levels of insurance protection for you and your vehicle. So basic, standards, and premium plans, these offer different levels of protection for damage and liability. Also, guys, the host fee. Turo takes a percentage of your earnings as a service fee, typically ranging between 15 to 35% depending on your chosen protection plan. So review and confirm listing, guys. In this part, ensure the car details, photos, pricing, and availability are correct. And the Turo provides a preview of how your car will appear to your potential renters. And then last one is the submit listing, guys. So once everything is set, click submit to make your car listing live. It may take a short time for Turo to review your listing. And then once approved, your car will be searchable on Turo's platform. And then these steps cover the entire process. So after that one, so as you can see here, this is the background of the Turo. And then here, once the rental is over, encourage your renters to leave a review. So you can see here. And then after that one that's it. Now you know how to list your car for rental on platforms like Turo and GetAround. So it's an easy way to make extra money from your car. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye!